Now let me show you how you can put photos in separate folders on the iPad. So if we open up the gallery, you can see that it is looking like this. We have the library where everything is basically put together. That's nice, but we can definitely organize it. And within the Photos app, we can create albums, right? So if we switch from the library mode to the collections in here, in there you have plenty of different folders and so on, but you should be able to find the albums, right? So as you can see, my albums are in here. I already have a couple of them created, but I can click on a plus button, create a new album in here, give it a name. So for example, I give it a travel name, and I'm gonna click on add photos. And I essentially, at this point, I am browsing my gallery and I'm putting photos from the main library mode, main view of the photos, into a separate place, into a separate folder, which is for travel pictures only. So you can see I can go through it like this, right? Find the image of the sunset, or, you know, I'm using it as an example, of course, but you can choose whatever you want, click on it, done. And now these two photos are in the travel folder. So you can always go there, add more, right? And you can always reorganize it and do whatever you want with it. Or you can also do it the other way around, that you return back to the main view of the pictures. Click on one image like this one, and you tap on share, and now add it to an album. So click on add to album like this, and choose the travel album. Of course, the picture doesn't disappear from the main view of the photos, but if you again come back to collections and find a travel album, you can see that it contains yet another image. So I think this is the best way to put photos into separate folders for a better organization. Let me know if it helped. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.